Hi there. In this video, I'm going to be telling you about the laws of chemical combination. The laws of chemical combination, there are 4 of them. The first being the law of conservation of mass. The law of conservation of mass states that atoms can neither be created nor destroyed. It's on this basis of this law that chemical equations undergo balancing in accordance to this law. There are experimental evidence to illustrate this law. In our advisory section, we are going to be telling you should read up on these laws. The second law is the law of definite proportion. The law of definite proportion states that all pure samples of a particular chemical compound contains the same elements in the same proportion by mass. What this law stipulates that if I form water by the addition of hydrogen and oxygen together to give me water, and I react an acid and base to get salt and water, if I should take the water produced by neutralization reaction and the water gotten by the addition of the constituent elements, they are going to contain the same elements in the same proportion by mass. The third law is the law of multiple proportions. This law states that when 2 elements A and B combine to form more than one compound, then the various masses of A which combine with a fixed mass of B are in simple ratios of whole number. What this implies is that when a fixed mass of an element is reacting with various masses of another element to produce more than one compound, then the various masses of B will react to the fixed mass of A, or the fixed mass of A which reacts with variable masses of B are in simple ratios of whole numbers. 1:1, 1:2, 2:3, and so on and so forth. And finally, the 4th law under this section is the law of reciprocal proportion. The law states that the various masses of A, B, C which react with a fixed mass of D is the same or in simple multiples of the masses of A, B, C which react with each other. What this law simply implies is that when various masses of different elements A, B, or C react with a fixed mass of D, that the variation, the masses is the same or in simple ratio or in simple multiples of the masses of A, B, and C will react with themselves. In the next video, I'm going to be telling you about solutions, concentrations, and how to prepare standard solutions by dilution.